How do you? We are going to draw the flag of Austria today. Let's outline the segments first. So we're going to draw a rectangle now. Another rectangle is going to be here. Let's draw a segment here. And another segment here. In the middle, we're going to draw a red line. Okay. Another red line is going to be here. All right. Now I'm going to fill up the colors here. So one side is going to be red, the middle one is going to be white, and the other one is going to be again the red color. There's the flag of Austria. All right, then I'm moving to the other part. The color in the flag is the monochromic uniform color. That's why when you draw, we always try to make the color as uniform as possible. Okay, so this is the drawing of Austrian flag. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for the new updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.